Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. I have 2 chicken breasts that I cut into bite-sized pieces. I have my oven preheated at 350. I'll salt and pepper. I'll add some garlic powder and some onion powder. Now I'll mix it around. To this, I'll add in 1 cup of chicken broth. I'll pour it on top. Now I'll add in 1 26-ounce can of cream of chicken soup. Stir it around. I have 4 cups of frozen broccoli, but you can use fresh broccoli. I'll add the broccoli in. I'll mix that around. And this is what I call my cream of chicken with broccoli. I'll serve this over rice. I'll place some foil on top. Now I'll place this in my 350-degree oven for about a half an hour and then check on it. So into the oven it goes. It's been a half hour, so now I'll check on it. It's looking good. So I'll leave it in there now for another half hour, so that's a total of an hour on 350. So I'll put it back in. It's been an hour, so now I took it out of the oven and I'll check on it and then stir it around. I think instead of rice, I may use some kind of pasta. I'll see what I have in the house. But it's good either way. So what I'm going to do now is lower the temperature of my oven, and I'm going to put some cheese on top.
What is that for?
I have 10 ounces of shredded cheese, so now I'll place this on top. This is cheddar cheese. So that was 10 ounces of shredded cheese. Now I'll place the aluminum foil on top. I have my oven on 200. All I want to do is just melt this cheddar cheese, and now I'll prepare either my rice or my pasta. I'm undecided on what I'm going to place this on top of, either the rice or a certain pasta. So back into the oven it goes. My oven's set on 200. You leave this in the oven until the cheese is melted, so probably about 10-15 minutes, because I lowered my temperature to 200. I'll place my creamy chicken with broccoli over orzo. So it's like a rice, but I'm using this pasta. That'll be really good. I'll just make this orzo according to the directions on the package. So now I'm cooking the orzo according to the directions on the package. Just waiting for the water to boil, and then my meal will be complete.